I'm going to start by specifying that this program is going to be a 16-bit program, so bits 16. This is a NASM command that tells NASM that this will be 16-bit assembly. Afterwards, we're going to print a character on the screen. So for this, I'm going to use a DOS service, and this service is going to be a service that prints a character on the screen. So AH is going to be 2. That's the number of the service that prints characters on the screen. I'm going to move into DL, the actual character to print. In this case, I'm going to pass in H. And then I'm going to make the interrupt. So the interrupt is going to be int21H. That's the interrupt that actually calls the DOS service. Afterwards, I'm going to print another character. This time I. Again, I'm going to call int21. And I'm going to finish by calling int20, which will terminate the program. Let's go ahead and save this. I'm going to use NASM for this, and I'm going to pass in the assembly. And the output is going to be a file ending with .com, because .com is the basic executable file extension. Now we have DOSBox running right over here. I'm going to start by mounting the directory with the assembly program we just wrote. Now if we go ahead to the C drive on DOSBox right over here, you can see that it actually contains the assembly and the COM file that we created. Now I can just go ahead and run hello.com, and you can see that works nicely. We see hi on the screen. Subscribe for more programming videos, and thanks for watching.